HubSpot Marketing Hub is one of the leading tools for digital marketers, but before you commit to buying, there are some things you should know. This all in one platform offers a lot, but how does it stack up against competitors? Let's take a closer look at 12 key things you need to consider before making your decision. First, it's important to understand that HubSpot is a powerful tool for landing pages, but its price point can be a bit steep, especially when compared to alternatives like lead pages or Unbounce. While the basic plan offers good value, the more advanced features like A/B testing and personalization come at a premium. Next thing, user friendliness. HubSpot's drag and drop builder is intuitive, which is great for beginners. But if you've used other tools like Instapage, you might find it a little slower and less flexible. The interface can feel more corporate and less fluid compared to competitors that are designed for marketers who want fast, flexible customization. The third thing you should know is about integration. HubSpot seamlessly integrates with a wide range of platforms, which is a major plus. However, if you're already using tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, integration may not always be as smooth as it would be with a competitor like ConvertKit, which focuses more on ease of integration. Next, let's talk about features. HubSpot's landing page software is feature-rich, including built-in SEO tools and lead capture forms. But when it comes to advanced analytics, it's not as detailed as some other platforms. If you need deep data analysis, tools like Google Optimize or even Unbounce might offer more insight into your landing page performance. The fifth thing, automation. HubSpot shines here. It's one of the best platforms when it comes to automating workflows, follow-ups, and more. But be aware, this comes with a learning curve. Unlike simpler tools, HubSpot requires time to set up and understand the automation features fully. Next thing, A/B testing. HubSpot offers A/B testing, but it's somewhat limited compared to competitors like Instapage. If testing multiple variations of your landing page quickly is a top priority for you, you might find other platforms more efficient and easier to use. The seventh thing is pricing. HubSpot's pricing structure can be confusing, especially because many features that come standard in other platforms are locked behind higher tier plans. Keep this in mind when budgeting for your marketing tools. Next, HubSpot offers advanced personalization, but only on higher plans. This feature is great for tailoring your landing pages based on visitor behavior, but again, it's only available with the more expensive options. For those who are just starting, this could be a deal breaker, especially when compared to more affordable alternatives. The ninth thing, customer support. HubSpot offers excellent customer support, which is a major plus. If you run into trouble, their support team is quick to respond. However, support is only available at certain hours on the lower tiers, which could be frustrating if you're on a budget. The 10th thing you need to know is its reporting capabilities. HubSpot gives you detailed reports on your landing pages, but they're more basic compared to the detailed reporting offered by tools like Google Analytics. You can't drill down into the finer details unless you're using the top tier plans. Next, let's look at mobile optimization. HubSpot's landing pages are mobile friendly, but when compared to platforms like lead pages, which are specifically optimized for mobile, you may not get the best performance out of the box. If your audience is primarily mobile users, this is something to consider. The 12th and final thing to note, scalability. HubSpot can grow with your business. It's a great choice for small businesses and enterprises alike. But if you're just looking for something simple and fast for landing pages alone, you might want to explore more affordable, single-focus solutions. So, HubSpot Marketing Hub is a great option, especially if you need an all-in-one solution. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly, streamlined option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.